Hello, this is a Sandburg Library tutorial on searching the catalog. When you log into the My Sandburg portal, it will look similar to this. Each box or card can be moved, so yours may look a little different depending on how you want to rearrange things. Find the Library Resources box and click on Library Catalog. This will take us out of the portal and to the catalog. Notice every time you log into the catalog, it will start us at Sandburg Library Catalog, searching offerings here. Starting our search, we will look for Jane Austen. You can either hit Enter or the magnifying glass to start your search. Notice you can sign into the catalog, but that is not necessary. It is only needed if you are requesting items through interlibrary loan. Back to our results for Jane Austen. We have over 100 results with various types of availability. I want the title Emma, so I'm going to click on that title. Now I can see the book is available at Galesburg Library, online, and even at Carthage. Let's say I don't want this title after all. We will go back to search results and we'll see all of our original results for Jane Austen. Now I can look for other titles, their availability, and location. If you don't find what you're looking for or would like help, contact us at library@sandburg.edu.